Hello guys. On this video I want to share with you guys how you can actually make withdrawal on your Liteforex account. First of all, you log into your Liteforex back office, which is very important. Then you click on the menu bar, then you come to finance. So when you click on finance, we have deposit and withdrawal option, and for this purpose of this video is withdrawal. You will click on, then you come to this section. All right, for you that have not withdrawn for once, you come to this place, you see add, you click here, then you put in your account number. All right, so in this section you select US dollar, which is the currency value. You put in your full name, you put in your bank account, okay, put in your details of payments. This is optional, you can leave it. All right, but yeah, your country is Nigeria. Fill in your address, everything, your Swift code. Just Google your bank Swift code, the bank you want to be paid to. Swift code, Google it, put it, then put the bank name, branch, your state, or put Edo Benin. All right, then postal code, Google it, your address, fill in all these details and click save. Once you've saved successfully, then you now come back to the withdrawal section. You refresh the page, you come back here, you click on withdrawal, and this time around you see available for withdrawal. Your funds will be showing on this MT4 section. You can click here and check where your funds are available. Okay, the MT4 platform, or the number that your fund is available, you keep it at the top here. Then you come here, your bank is there already, your bank will reflect because you've already added it. Then you come to this section, you type in the amount of dollar you want to withdraw. If it is $80, you type in 80. Then you come here, the amount will reflect like this also. Okay, then you click continue. When you do that, to load and tell you successful. Once that is done, you've made the withdrawal, and email will be sent to you that your withdrawal is being processed and your money will be paid to your account. That's how to make withdrawal from your trading account. See you guys on the next video. Bye.